Hello everyone, today I will introduce the Tandem CNC hydraulic press brake. The machine tool is designed and manufactured using the latest technology. This ensures the strength, rigidity and safety of the machine. It consists of two press brake and two fixed bending follower. This machine with 4 and 1 axis. Y1, Y2 axis controls the upper beam moving upward and downward. X-axis controls the back gauge moving forward and backward. R-axis controls the back gauge moving upward and downward. W-axis lower mechanical crowning. Using Belgium new design accurate and stable back gauge, servo motor driven ball screw, characteristic of high speed and high setting accuracy. 2-axis fixed bending follower, maximum load capacity 400 and FIBIC, reversal angle 0 to 75. With Touch 15 CNC system. The max bending length 3200. Bending force 1300 kN.